Hello, everybody, and hi, Rasada.
Yes, Amvera.
We're here to introduce you to a course we're offering together this fall that we named Feeding the Hungry Ghosts. And this grew out of a workshop that we did in February where Rasada presented in our Constellation training how to address working with addictions. And that was very powerful. And we enlarged that a little bit. So we have 4 Saturdays. And the idea of the place inside of us that's hungry, that keeps wanting something, needing something, and how we tend to meet that, what our patterns are that repeat to meet that. And we're going to explore those because in February we saw that everybody in the group was affected in one way or the other by addictive patterns. So we designed a little bit of a journey over those 4 Saturdays that we invite you to join us on to explore what the causes are for these symptoms, because often addictive patterns are just the symptoms. And instead of focusing there, we're going to look for why and what is it behind. So throwing it to you, Rasada, what would you like to say about our course?
Beautiful. So the work with addictions, really, it's a reminder that people in addiction really suffer, whether they're the people who acting out, or whether it's the loved ones or the people that work with them. And I think this work really helps create the container, the safe container, and the skills to look at what's, like you say, what's behind those symptoms. Huh?
Yeah.
So I'm really excited. And especially with addiction, it's that edge where people really are desperate. They want to move. They want to change. They've had enough. Mm-hmm. And you need that for transformation.
Right. Good.
Good.
So we are limiting all our courses this fall to 15 people maximum. And we have 11 signed up already. So there's 4 places available. Please look on the website. And you can see the 4 stages of this journey and join us if it feels right to you. All right. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.
Bye.